Hello everyone, welcome back to our new lecture, lecture number 6. In this lecture we discuss about the rules for constructing character constant. In this lecture we discuss in detail what's the rules for constructing character constant. So first rule is a character constant is a single alphabet, single digit or single special symbol included within single inverted commas. So the meaning of the rule is if any alphabet, any special symbol or any digit included in single inverted comma, then it is a character constant. Okay, our next rule is both the inverted commas should point to the left. It means that both commas, single inverted commas, is point to the left direction. Okay, see here, the point of the comma point, it means that it is a point, is direction, the point direction is left. Okay, first comma, and second comma also its point direction is left. If we use a right point direction comma or one right and one left pointed comma, then it is a invalid character constant. So in this case we use both single inverted comma in the left point direction, so it is a valid character constant. But in second example, one is right pointed and second is left pointed, so it is a invalid character constant. So be careful in this point, it is a very crucial point. Okay, for example, it is a character, it also a character, it is a digit, or it is a special symbol. Okay, so we can make any character constant from the special symbol, integer or character. Okay, that's all about this. You can understand this topic, it is very easy. So first of all you write down. Okay, I suppose you write down on the notes. Okay, so if this video lecture helpful for your knowledge, then you subscribe our channel and share to your junior friends or the preparing for any campus placement job like Infosys, TCS, like that, any IT company. So you can forward to your friends. Okay, if this lecture is helpful for you, then you like, or it is not helpful for you, then you can dislike. Okay, it's your choice. Okay, if you learn some knowledge from our channel, then you subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you, that's all. Next lecture I will discuss about rules for constructing variable. Variable means the combination of integer constant, integer, special symbol or real. Okay, so the combination of these characters, then we make any variable. Okay, so wait for the next lecture. Okay, thank you, that's all. Thank you.